The delay is a well-known effect, but sometimes the effect sound overlays the original. With the integrated ducking function in our duck delay, you can create space in your mix. Here is how it works. Hi, my name is Tom Wettstein. I'm a music composer, producer and owner of a mastering studio. This is the third video of our brand new plugin, the duck delay. In the first and second video, we discussed the delay section and the effects. In this video, I show you how the ducking section works. The ducking section is a compressor. The threshold determines the threshold at which the compressor starts to work. The amount displayed represents the actual reduction. The attack and release determine the speed with which ducking starts and stops working. Use the ducking knob to set the amount of ducking. By turning the makeup knob, you can increase or decrease the volume of the delay signal. The on-off and output section allows you to bypass the plugin and raise or lower the overall volume, including the original signal. By pressing undo and redo buttons, you can undo and redo previously taken steps. With AB, you switch between two different settings back and forth. Copy automatically copies preset A to B or preset B to A. Use the left and right arrows to select the previous or the next preset from your preset browser list. The down arrow lets you save your own preset. The up arrow opens the preset browser. Thank you for watching this third video. Please click the link below the video for a free trial of the duck delay, and have fun!